Hi students, 4th Roman before 2 problems completed. Now third question, minus 2a plus 5b minus 3c whole square. See this one, x plus y plus z whole square form is there. Formula x plus y plus z whole square equal to a plus b plus c whole square like. So x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is formula. Like here x means minus 2a, y means 5b, z means minus 3c. Like x square means minus 2a whole square plus y square means 5b whole square plus z means minus 3c whole square plus 2 into x means minus 2a, y means 5b plus 2 into yz means y means 5b, z means minus 3c plus 2 into z means minus 3c, x means minus 2a. So this is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into x into y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into z into x. Totally do simplify, minus 2a whole square, minus into minus plus 2a whole square, 4a square plus 5b square, 5 square 25, b square plus minus 3 whole square means 3 3 is 9, minus into minus plus 9c square. Here minus is there, plus into minus minus 2 2's 4, 4 5's 20, 20ab. Here minus is there, minus into plus minus 2 5's 10, 10 3's 30, bc. Here minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus 2 3's 6, 6 2's 12, 12 ac or ca. This is answer. Next fourth one, a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. Same like here formula. See here, x plus y plus z whole square equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. This is formula. Like x means a by 4, y means minus b by 2, z means 1. Like here x square means a by 4 whole square plus minus b by 2 whole square plus z means 1, 1 square plus 2 into x means a by 4, y means minus b by 2, 2xy plus 2yz, y means minus b by 2, z means 1 plus 2zx, 2z means 1, x means a by 4. After do simplify this, a by 4 whole square, 4 square 16, a square, a square by 16 plus minus into minus plus b by 2 whole square, b square by 4 plus 1. Here minus is there, plus into minus minus. Here 2 1's 2 2's get cancel, 2 2 get cancel, otherwise ab by 4, ab by 4. Here plus into minus minus, 2 2 get cancel, b into 1 b. Here 2 1's 2 2's, a by 2 remain, a by 2. This is final answer. P plus 1 whole cube, fifth one. So this is x plus y whole cube form is there. X plus y whole cube equal to x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube. This is formula. So like this, x means p, y means 1. Like x cube means p cube plus 3 into x. X means p, y means 1 into x plus y, p plus 1 plus y cube means 1 cube. 1 cube. Do simplify this one. P cube means p cube plus 3 into p into 1. 3p into p plus 1 plus 1 cube means 1. After finally this do product, p cube plus 3p into p, 3p square plus 3p into 1, 3p plus 1. This is answer. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. Sixth problem. See here, a minus b whole cube form. A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. A means x, b means 2 by 3y. A cube means x cube minus 3 into a. A means x, b means 2 by 3y. 3ab into a minus b. X minus 2 by 3y minus b cube. B means 2 by 3y. Whole cube. A cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. Do simplify this one. X cube means x cube minus, here observe, 3 get cancelled, 2xy, 2 into x into y, 2xy into x minus 2 by 3y minus 2 by 3y whole cube means 2 by 3 whole cube and y cube. 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, y cube. Keep in bracket. 2 by 3y whole cube means 2 cube 8, 27, 3 cube 27, y cube. Do this product, this bracket total, x cube minus 2xy into x, 2x square y. Here minus into minus plus 2 2's 4 by 3 is there, 4 by 3, xy into y, xy square minus 8 by 27 y cube. Next fifth question, factorize. First one, 25x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 40xy plus 16yz minus 20xz. Here observe, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca form is there. But here minus is there. Minus observe, xy minus xz minus. Here plus values y and z. Means what you observe here, only x is negative. Here common xy, xz. Common what? X. So x value is negative take. Here observe 25x square. We write 5 square. 16y square means 16 we can write 4. 4y. Here 4, 2 square we can write. So like that, here x value is negative. Like that, minus 5x whole square. Again minus 5 into minus 5 we get plus. Means minus into minus plus. 5 square 25. Minus 5x whole square plus 16 means 4. Y square y. 4y whole square plus 4z square. We write 2z whole square minus means a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab. b means 4y. minus 2ab. Like 2 5s 10, 10 4s 40. Here minus is there, 40xy. Here a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2ca. C means 2z. 2z 4y. Again 2 2's 4, 4 2's 2 2's 4, 4 4's 16yz plus 2ca. 2z, a means minus 5x. Plus into minus, minus 2 2's 4, 4 5's 20. So this total, so a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca form is there. What this formula? A plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square. Like a means minus 5x, b means 4y plus c means 2z whole square. So this is answer. Whole square means 2 times, right? This is factorize. Minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z into minus 5x plus 4y plus 2z. So 2 times, right? Whole square means 2 times. This is factorize of that formula. So this is formula. Second question, 9a square plus 4b square plus 16c square plus 12ab minus 16bc minus 24ac. Here observe what is common in these two negative. BC negative, CA negative. In the two common what? C common. Means C element is, C number is negative. Means C is negative. Here observe 9a square we can write 3a whole square, 2b whole square, 4c whole square. But c here negative means c value minus 4c. Here 9a square we can write 3a square plus 2b whole square plus minus 4c whole square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. In that a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca form. A plus b plus c whole square. Here c is negative. The total whole square form. Square means write 2 times, that is factors. Factorize the problem. These two factors of given one. 3a plus 2b minus 4c. 2 times, right? This is factors.